So we've got some new news on this. Savanna also found it, and it kind of goes to what you were just saying, Jeremiah. Are the people ready for it? So you might remember the Taser Drone from Axon, which is a well-known taser manufacturer. But the ethics board, 9 people on the ethics board have resigned, and it looks like this project has stalled. So, um, who?
Oh yeah, no, they came out and said they're not. We put a pause on this, and that was after the initial announcement saying their ethics board did not recommend they move forward, but they still did. And then what was it? 2 or 3 days later, we're hitting pause.
So, what were the complications that caused this to fail, other than infighting, finger pointing, and bad PR?
As if that's not enough, Mike.
Well, one that they mentioned in this article was the, I guess I forget who said it, but it was probably the somebody in a leadership position, let's put it that way, came out and was like, well, I just mentioned that I gave the press release okay because I just wanted to start the conversation. And it's like, okay.
While also starting development, like those are
Yeah,
two different
yeah,
things.
slightly different. But there's so many, even if we set the ethics to the side for a second, there's so many technical issues that this could happen because you're entering a chaotic situation with something that is not quiet. I have never heard a quiet drone. And then if you're inside and it's reverberating off the walls, and then are these walls shielded? Certain university buildings I've been in have been completely shielded buildings where signals had a lot of trouble getting in and out. So you have to look at those as well. And even with the ethics on the side, it's a very, very difficult technical problem.
Yeah, I didn't even, when I first saw that headline, I wasn't thinking at all about the technical challenges of it. My head went right to this is not a great look for anybody. But yeah, that technical piece, I mean, there's so much they could build into that they wouldn't be able to actually guarantee because there's so many different situations where it could be applied.